Hey fellow adventurers, welcome back to Travelio, where we explore the most mesmerizing destinations across the globe. Today I'm beyond excited to take you on an enchanting journey through the pristine wilderness of Jasper National Park in the heart of Alberta. Jasper isn't just a park, it's a symphony of nature, where towering peaks, turquoise lakes, and abundant wildlife create a tapestry of beauty that will leave you breathless. Our adventure begins with Maligne Lake, the gem nestled in the heart of Jasper. It is the largest glacial-fed lake in the Canadian Rockies. Famous for its deep blue waters and dramatic mountain backdrop, Maligne Lake is a sight to behold. Cruise across the crystal-clear waters on a scenic boat tour to Spirit Island, one of the most iconic spots in the Canadian Rockies, and be prepared to be amazed by the panoramic views. The boat tour to Spirit Island is an unforgettable experience. As you glide over the pristine waters, you'll be surrounded by towering peaks and lush forests, making it a perfect spot for photography and simply soaking in the natural beauty. Hike along the network of trails that meander through the surrounding forests and meadows, or rent a kayak or canoe to explore the tranquil waters at your own pace. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Maligne Lake offers something for everyone. Journey into the depths of Maligne Canyon, one of the deepest river canyons in the Canadian Rockies, located just a short drive from Jasper. Follow the network of trails that wind along the canyon rim, offering stunning views of the rushing waters below and the towering limestone cliffs that line the gorge. Descend into the canyon on a guided interpretive hike, where you'll discover hidden waterfalls, ancient fossils, and unique geological formations. Marvel at the power of nature as you navigate narrow pathways and cross over suspension bridges suspended high above the canyon floor. With its dramatic landscapes and rich natural history, Maligne Canyon is a must-visit destination for adventurers of all ages. Next, we arrive at Medicine Lake, a mysterious body of water that seems to vanish and reappear throughout the year. Fed by a series of underground channels, the lake's water levels fluctuate with the seasons, creating a dynamic and ever-changing landscape that's truly mesmerizing to behold. Explore the tranquil shores of the lake, where you'll find scenic picnic areas, hiking trails, and wildlife viewing opportunities. With its ever-changing landscapes and serene atmosphere, Medicine Lake is a hidden gem waiting to be explored in Jasper National Park. Next, we head to Edith Lake, a hidden gem known for its tranquility and crystal-clear waters. This lake is a paradise for those seeking peace and solitude. Whether you're into paddleboarding, swimming, or just lounging by the shore, Edith Lake offers a perfect retreat from the hustle and bustle. The serene surroundings and the gentle lapping of the water make it an ideal spot to relax and connect with nature. Discover the rugged beauty of Mount Edith Cavell, a towering peak that dominates the skyline of Jasper National Park. The trail starts with a gentle ascent offering stunning vistas along the way before reaching the base of the mountain. From here, embark on a hike to the iconic Angel Glacier, where you can witness massive ice falls cascading down the cliffs of the mountain. Alternatively, explore the network of trails that lead to panoramic viewpoints overlooking the surrounding valleys and glaciers. With its dramatic landscapes and stunning vistas, Mount Edith Cavell offers an unforgettable experience for visitors to Jasper National Park. One of the highlights of Jasper National Park is the Columbia Icefield, home to some of the largest glaciers in the Canadian Rockies. Take a guided tour onto the Athabasca Glacier, one of the 6 major glaciers fed by the Columbia Icefield. As we make our way onto the glacier, the scale of this icy expanse becomes truly apparent. It's like stepping into another world, one dominated by ice and snow. The Columbia Icefield is a true marvel of Jasper National Park. From the exhilarating glacier walk to the stunning views from the skywalk, this is an adventure you won't want to miss. Embark on a wildlife viewing adventure in Jasper National Park, home to a diverse array of native species. Explore the park's network of hiking trails, keeping your eyes peeled for the park's abundant wildlife along the way, including iconic grizzly bears, majestic elk, and elusive wolves. Encounters with these magnificent creatures are not only awe-inspiring but also a reminder of the importance of conservation efforts in preserving their natural habitat. Marvel at the sheer power and beauty of Athabasca Falls, one of the most iconic landmarks in Jasper National Park. It is a powerful cascade that thunders through a narrow gorge, surrounded by rugged cliffs and towering pines. The sheer force of the water creates a mesmerizing display of nature's power, making it a must-see attraction in Jasper. Watch as the turbulent waters of the Athabasca River plunge over rugged limestone cliffs, creating a spectacular display of cascading water and mist. Follow the network of trails that wind around the falls, offering different vantage points to view this natural wonder from various angles. With its dramatic scenery and thundering waterfalls, Athabasca Falls is a must-visit destination for visitors to Jasper National Park. One of the most captivating experiences in Jasper National Park is a visit to the Athabasca River. Imagine embarking on a rafting trip down this historic and majestic river, which is a lifeline running through the heart of the park. As you navigate the river's winding course, you're surrounded by towering peaks, lush forests, and an ever-changing landscape that showcases the park's diverse beauty. The crystal-clear waters of the Athabasca reflect the sky and the surrounding mountains, creating a serene and picturesque setting. Next, we're making our way to Sunwapta Falls, another spectacular waterfall in Jasper National Park located along the Icefields Parkway in Jasper National Park. It is known for its dramatic drop and turquoise-colored waters, set against a backdrop of lush forest and jagged peaks. Watch as the turquoise waters of the Sunwapta River plunge over a series of cascades, creating a mesmerizing display of rushing water and mist. As we hike along the trail, the sound of rushing water grows louder, signaling the approaching falls. Follow the short trail that leads to various viewpoints overlooking the falls, offering different perspectives of this natural wonder. Photographers will delight in capturing the beauty of Sunwapta Falls at different times of year. With its breathtaking scenery and tranquil atmosphere, Sunwapta Falls is a must-visit destination for nature lovers. Our journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to the Valley of 5 Lakes. This stunning area features a series of 5 small lakes, each with its own unique and vibrant color. The hike through this valley is relatively easy and offers breathtaking views at every turn. The emerald and turquoise waters are simply mesmerizing and provide the perfect backdrop for a leisurely walk or a picnic. The Valley of 5 Lakes is a feast for the eyes and a must-visit for anyone looking to experience Jasper's natural beauty. For adrenaline junkies, Jasper offers a plethora of outdoor activities, from whitewater rafting and rock climbing to mountain biking and backcountry skiing. With over 1,000 kilometers of hiking trails, there's no shortage of opportunities to explore this breathtaking landscape. Explore the pristine waters of Jasper National Park by canoe or kayak, immersing yourself in the tranquility of nature as you paddle across shimmering lakes and meandering rivers. Rent a canoe or kayak from one of the park's outfitters and set out on an adventure to hidden gems and scenic viewpoints. Whether you're gliding across the calm waters of Maligne Lake or navigating the meandering channels of the Athabasca River, canoeing and kayaking in Jasper National Park offer a unique perspective on the park's breathtaking landscapes. Challenge yourself to reach new heights with a rock climbing adventure in Jasper National Park, home to some of the most spectacular climbing routes in the Canadian Rockies. Test your skills on vertical cliffs, towering spires, and rugged rock faces, surrounded by stunning alpine scenery and panoramic views. One of the most magical moments in Jasper is witnessing the sunrise over Athabasca Falls. Arrive early to beat the crowds and enjoy the serenity of this natural wonder as the first light of dawn illuminates the rushing waters of the falls. Watch as the golden rays of the rising sun cast long shadows across the rugged landscape, creating a magical atmosphere. Capture stunning photographs of the sunrise as it transforms the scenery into a scene straight out of a postcard. With its dramatic beauty and tranquil ambience, sunrise at Athabasca Falls is a must-see spectacle in Jasper National Park. Now, let's talk timing. The best time to visit Jasper is during the summer months when the wildflowers bloom and the hiking trails are in full swing. However, don't discount the winter wonderland that Jasper transforms into. The snow-covered landscapes and the opportunity to witness the northern lights create a magical atmosphere. And after a day of exploration, Pyramid Lake provides the perfect retreat. The serene atmosphere, with Pyramid Mountain reflected in the clear waters, offers a tranquil setting to unwind and connect with the essence of Jasper. Escape to the tranquil shores of Pyramid Lake, a serene oasis nestled within the heart of Jasper National Park. Take in breathtaking views of Pyramid Mountain reflected on the surface of the lake. Hike along the network of trails that encircle the lake, offering opportunities for wildlife viewing and birdwatching. For a bird's-eye view of Jasper National Park, we're taking a ride on the Jasper Skytram. As we ascend to the top of Whistler's Mountain, panoramic vistas unfold before us, revealing the vastness and beauty of the Rockies. End your day with a breathtaking sunset experience at Maligne Lake, one of the most scenic destinations in Jasper National Park. Hop aboard a boat cruise or paddle your own kayak out onto the tranquil waters of the lake, where you'll have front-row seats to the evening show. As the sun begins to set behind the surrounding peaks, watch as the sky is set ablaze with fiery hues of orange, red, and gold, reflecting off the calm waters below. Listen to the sounds of nature and feel the cool evening breeze as you soak in the beauty of the sunset. A truly unforgettable experience in Jasper National Park. With its towering mountain peaks, expansive forests, and crystal-clear lakes, Jasper National Park is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're an avid hiker, a wildlife enthusiast, or simply seeking solace in nature, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel adventures, and share your favorite Jasper memories in the comments below. Until next time, let's keep exploring the extraordinary world around us.